Hi guys, Anthony for 3Geek TV. As you can see in my toolbar, it says Anthony for 3Geek TV. Now how am I doing this? I have found a free program, for Windows of course, called Rainmeter. Now Rainmeter allows you to place any object on your desktop without using your toolbar. Now of course I'm running Cam Studio in my toolbar to record this video, but if I wasn't running it, it wouldn't show. Anyways, so Rainmeter, as I said, allows you to put anything on your desktop. So right here I have a live clock that's on my desktop, as well as I have toolbars to give it kind of a Mac feel. Now on this toolbar I have CPU meters, RAM meters, hard drive meters, power meters, network meters, and a button that I made. Now this button may look familiar. Yes, it is. It is a Safari icon. If I click the Safari icon, Safari will show up. Now of course if I was already Cap Studio, it would be a lot faster, which it is, because Cap Studio is memory intensive. Now, of course, everything is open source. Everything is an INI file. So if I right click here, I can show you the code. It's very simple to do. You just specify where the image is, where the position on the desktop will be, the height and the width, and what the left mouse action does. Right now I have it set to open up the program files and hit start up safari.exe. Very easy to use. Of course, you can download themes from DeviantArt, completely free. Of course, DeviantArt is always free. It's just amazing. Right now I'm customizing two themes. This is the Enigma theme toolbar with the Y Boris Time toolbar. Now of course if you right click on anywhere of Rainmeter, you will get this context menu. Here you can choose different components of different themes. So if I open up, let's say, I can open up calendars and clocks, combos. This is a combo up here. I can open up sidebars. Of course, Y Boris Time is just the time, and that is a theme on its own. Just this time, it's very beautiful. You have to install, of course, the third-party font that they provide, that they created, of course. And it's very easy. You just restart your system, and the font gets installed during the restart. Now, of course, if you don't want to install the font, you don't have to restart, and it looks a bit ugly. But if you install the font, it's worth restarting. I highly recommend it. Because it just absolutely looks astounding. And if you don't like restarting, you can simply log out and log back in, and it will adjust itself. It's very easy to use. Rainmeter, of course, I said it's open source, so you can, of course, edit it to make it your own. You can add files, you can remove files. You shouldn't remove files because a lot of good files in there. But still, if you want to download it, of course, from Google Code, you can get links in the description. And that's about it for today, guys. If you'd like to connect with me, my site is techzonelive.co.cc. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email us. Our email address is 3geektv@gmail.com. And that's about it. Later, guys. Subscribe.